I'm Dr. Kevin Wafer with Chiropractic in Houston, Texas. Today I wanted to talk about the degeneration process in your spine. So a lot of people commonly think that degeneration just happens due to old age, which actually isn't true. What happens is if your spine's not moving properly over time is when the degeneration starts to take place. So this model will show us how a spine degenerates if it's not moving properly. So this model right here shows a normal spine. We have nice wide discs in between each one of the bones, and we see that the bones are nice and smooth. Now the first thing that happens if the joints in your spine aren't moving properly is the disc starts to shrink. If you don't do anything at that point and the joint continues to stop moving, the next phase is your body starts to produce excess bone. So basically what your spine is saying is, this joint's not moving anymore. I'm just going to start to produce excess bone because I want to fuse it and keep it there. So that's when we start to see all these excess bone spurs that start to form. If you still don't do anything about your spine at this point, the last phase is where your spine finally fuses itself together. You can see we don't have any disc space in between, and this joint is basically one big blob of bone. At this point, there's nothing that can be done, and what happens is the joints above and below it have to start to move even doubly as hard to make up for this joint. So what we want to do is we want to make sure we catch degeneration early on going so that we can keep it from progressing forward. Once again, I'm Kevin Wafer with Chiropractic.